On the delivery trail. It's Sunday, she at work, we don't care. We have a gift for her. You know how we do it. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
What is it you're gonna delivery fee? No man, we get that already. So what else are you getting?
Merry Christmas when the time comes.
You see that I get a pat on the back. Merry a pat on the back. I work with a pat on the back. So tell me what Christmas really means to you though.
It's a time with family, a time with fellowship,
Okay. Oh, nice. So what about the food?
I mean, we eat food every day, don't we?
So upon Christmas, you know, the special pot.
Yeah, but
Like
with the special cup and special day.
So Christmas is not as special. Just about the family. Alright. Conquer. I believe it's a family thing. And remembering the birth of Christ and all of that. So we're on the same page. Merry Christmas again. Have a wonderful day. Alright? And the next gift is on us.
Alright.
So all you have to do is buy it and we deliver it.
Free.
Huh? Just buy it and we deliver it.
Alright.
Christmas, you buy, we deliver. Merry Christmas. Our gift to you.